Hi everyone, Dr. Nemechek here with another week in review for the week of August 18th. First is a pretty simple little case. Young girl started protocol at 9 years old with just some ADHD and dyslexia. The dyslexia was pretty bad. She was a couple years behind in her reading. She was already on Ritalin. So we added our fish oil and olive oil, the inulin. Then she got a 6-week course of glutamine in case there was some COVID gut damage. And with the glutamine, she had a lot of food intolerance. That all just completely stopped. So she had some damage in there. So our follow-up this week. She's been on now just fish oil, olive oil, and inulin, basically. Dyslexia is completely gone, according to the speech therapist. ADHD is resolved. She's tapered off her Ritalin. She's reading at peer level. And mom says she's super organized, actually. So there's none of the scattered ADHD stuff. She's even teaching herself Spanish. So just cruising right along. If anybody says otherwise, you've got to remind them that dyslexia can be reversed. Okay? Now, next. Boy, he's 15 now. He started the protocol less than a year ago, actually. And super aggressive and kind of dangerous because he's kind of big. Lots of head hitting, minimal language skills, one-step commands, chronic diarrhea. So we put him on fish oil and olive oil, and I went right to the twice-daily rifaximin. At this age, 15, it's very unlikely the inulin's going to help. And then we added a 6-week course of glutamine. Now, after just 8 months, the aggression is dramatically improved. There's no more self-injuries. He had this intense anxiety. That has come way down to a point where now the whole family can actually go out to dinner and he can stay at the table and function. Receptive, expressive language is steadily improving. When we added the glutamine, his chronic diarrhea had stopped. And I'm real excited. He's got a couple teeth that need to get extracted. These kind of impacted teeth that these kids might have, they drop the blood pressure and worsen aggression and anxiety. So I think a week after having these teeth plucked out, we're going to have another big bump in his improvement in his behavior. So I'm real excited to see him next visit and see how he's doing. Here's an older patient. Man, he's 76. He started the protocol way back in 2014. Okay, he was 65. Pretty bad shape. He had bad diabetes. His A1C number was 8.1. He had fatty liver disease. He had heart failure. It was actually diabetic cardiomyopathy. He had chronic kidney disease with a GFR of 28. Now, what that means is normal's around 100. They start talking to you about dialysis when you're around 15. Okay, and he had high blood pressure. He was on a couple different medicines. So he gets basically fish oil, olive oil, vagal stimulator. We were using, with him, carbohydrate reduction and intermittent fasting. So 1 day a week, he would get 500 calories per day. And he was on and off that over the years. And then the rifaximin was just as needed for some GI symptoms. But we found that if we just left him on continuous twice a day, rifaximin, he did better. And he also did better if he just stayed on the glutamine. The 6 weeks course of glutamine that I typically use helped him a lot, but he said when he stopped, he could feel like he was relapsing, he was doing worse, so we just kept him on that. Now, here we are, 11 years on the protocol. High blood pressure, fatty liver disease, his heart problems, all in remission. No meds or anything for that. He's off his blood pressure meds, he's off his heart failure medicines, okay? Kidney function, normal. It went from a GFR 28 up to 97. Okay, it can reverse. You've just got to lower inflammation. And his diabetes is pretty much in remission. I mean, your A1C number is 5.6 or below is normal. So with just Ozempic and Farxiga, his blood sugars are really, really low. And that means that elevated blood sugar isn't damaging his tissue. So he's doing great. And so you're never too old to recover. How about that? And the last one is a 7-year-old boy. He started about 5 years ago now, when he was 2.5, he was basically a zombie. He was so affected by the propionic acid, he wouldn't respond to anything. They would basically just walk him around, or he would just be drifting around, and like the parents weren't even in the room. So put him on the fish oil, olive oil. We started with inulin. Awesome response. He has within just a few weeks, so you get rebalancing the gut. These propionic acid levels drop, and it's like you take him off a sedative. He just, boom, woke up. So he's good eye contact. He would respond when they would call his name. He's trying to gesture and point to communicate. And that went on for, I think, about 1.5 years, and then he got COVID. And then the inulin failed. I've seen this several times. And so suddenly he's all kind of, zombie-like again, and now he's got chronic diarrhea. So we tried the monthly rifaximin, so that was just twice a day for 10 days of each month, and it would help, but before the end of the month, he would start relapsing. Okay, and if you're seeing that, you can't get the inflammation down enough to get recovery. So we went to continuous rifaximin, and then the speech was lagging a bit behind, so I added in twice a day inulin with the rifaximin. So rifaximin inulin morning, rifaximin inulin in the evening, and then he got a 6-week course of glutamine. Now, after 4 years on the protocol, very alert, follows complex requests really easily, speech is coming along, long sentences, very fluid, starting to ask questions, which is important. It's starting to show some abstract kind of processing. Loves school, no transitions from, having to, at school time, can fully dress and bathe himself. He actually is very particular about what clothes he's going to wear now. He's got it all mapped out, and he's become very comfortable with kids. He doesn't know. These unfamiliar kids, those are the hardest ones to actually get to know, and he's learning to play, and his diarrhea is completely resolved. And so he had some constipation under there, and that's gone too. So as you can see, same thing. Just got to get the inflammation down on these kids and these grandpas, so to speak. And we can recover. Your body's an amazing thing. Now, if you're interested, remember, we've got these books. They're very inexpensive. The ebooks are 99 cents. And so it tells you everything I do in there. All right. And you can go to nemechekprotocol.com. We got fish oil, olive oil. There's other brands you can use. You don't need to use our brands. Okay. And now just hit subscribe so you learn when these next videos are coming. And just remember, take care of your children, take care of yourselves, keep your inflammation down. That's all from Dr. Nemechek. Everybody, take care.